you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing this look right here. From today I'll be starting a new series of creative eye makeup look in which I'll be doing one creative eye look every day for a week. And if you wanna know how I created this look, please continue watching. First of all, I'm taking this shade right here for my crease. And to prevent fallout, I am just applying powder under my eyes. And now for cutting the crease, I am using Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Concealer in the shade Medium. And for the lid shade, I am taking this color from the Revolution Pro palette. Firstly, with the yellow color, I am just marking where I want to put the flowers on my eyes. And then with the white color, here I am drawing the leaves of the flowers. And for the inner corners, I am using Swiss Beauty eyeshadows in the shade Diamond Dust. And for the lower lash line, I am applying the same shade I applied in the crease. That's it for the video. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. This means a lot to me. I'll see you tomorrow in my next video with the new creative eye look. Till then, take care.